Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Figma design to Shopify theme. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to go to Figma website, and over here make sure you log into your account. And as you can see, we are logged into our Figma website. So now let's create a design file. Alright, so I'm just going to make some changes over here. Okay, so this is just some basic. Alright, so if you want to convert whatever design you make over here to your Shopify theme, what you have to do is on the top side you can see the option for resources. Click over here, and now what you have to do is click on plugins, and over here search for Shopify. And over here you can see the option for Shopify image importer. So what you have to do is run this, click on run. Alright, so what you have to do is now add your Shopify product URL over here, and you can add Shopify collection URL over here. So you can import product images over here, and what you have to do is just click on import, and that's it. That is how you'll be able to convert your Figma design to your Shopify theme. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.